how to connect EA and your Steam account. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to of course open our browser right here. And then once we open our browser, on the search bar, what we're going to do is to search for ea.com. After that, I just click enter. And then once you're now here, you will be redirected into this part. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the upper right corner of the screen until you see this profile icon. After that, I just click it and then click create account. So just click create account right there, and then you will be redirected into another page, which is right here. Now, once you create your account, what we're going to do here is to actually choose the Steam account, which is right here. So just click that one. And then in this part, just sign in with your account and then click sign in. After that, just put your verification code right here. And then after that, just click sign in right here. So it just says sign in into Electric Arts using your Steam account. So just click this and then click allow. After that, just choose your country and region, and then of course your date of birth. So I'm just gonna choose some random date right here. And then after that, just click next. Just put your email address and then click next once again. And then for the profile visibility, it's up to you whether you want to change it or not, but I will just leave it as it is. And then I'm just gonna click this and then click this one. And then after that, I just click create account and then just put once again the verification code from EA and then click next again. Just click finish right here. And then as you can see, we have now created an account using our Steam account. So if you want to check it, just go here on your profile, click account settings. And then after that, on this part, click manage linked accounts. So just click this. And then if you scroll down right here, as you can see, we now have linked our Steam account. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to connect EA to Steam.